Welcome back. You can now build a truth table for any expression. This video puts that skill to work on a powerful question. When are two different looking statements actually the same? The answer is logical equivalence, and it leads us straight to one of the most useful results in all of logic, De Morgan's laws. By the end, you'll be able to simplify tangled conditions both on paper and in code. So the definition leans entirely on the tool you already have. Two statements are logically equivalent when their truth tables match exactly, the same value in every single row with no exceptions. The two expressions can look totally different written out, but if they agree on every possible case, they are interchangeable. You can swap one for the other anywhere and never change a result. We write this with the 3-bar equals symbol, and we say the statements are logically equivalent. Notice this is not sometimes equal or usually equal. It's every row always. Before the main event, two pieces of vocabulary that come up everywhere. A tautology is a statement that is true in every row of its truth table. The classic example is P or not P. Either P is true or it is false, so the or is always satisfied. The opposite is a contradiction. A statement that is false in every row, like P and not P, since P cannot be both true and false at once. And anything that is neither, true in some rows and false in others, we call contingent. Tautology always true, contradiction always false. Those two words will keep showing up, especially when we get to proofs. Now for De Morgan's laws, there are two of them. Law 1, the negation of P and Q is equivalent to not P or not Q. Law 2, the negation of P or Q is equivalent to not P and not Q. Look at the pattern because the pattern is the thing to memorize. When you push a not inside the parentheses, two things happen. It lands on each piece individually, and the connective in the middle flips. Every and becomes an or, and every or becomes an and. That's De Morgan in one sentence. Distribute the not and flip the connective. Let's prove the first law. We want to show the negation of P and Q equals not P or not Q. Build both as columns. First P and Q, then negate it for the left side. Then build not P or not Q for the right side. Now compare the two green columns row by row. False, true, true, true on the left. False, true, true, true on the right. They're identical top to bottom, and that matches the proof. There's nothing to argue about, no case left unchecked. This is the real power of truth tables. Equivalence becomes something you can simply look at and confirm. De Morgan is the star, but a handful of other equivalences will earn their keep again and again. So let's meet them now. Double negation. Not P is just P. Two negations cancel, exactly like in ordinary speech where not impossible means possible. Conditional as or, P arrow Q is equivalent to not P or Q, which was mentioned in the last video. This one lets you rewrite any if-then with no arrow at all. And the distributive law, P and the quantity Q or R equals P and Q, or P and R. It behaves just like multiplication distributing over addition in algebra. So keep those in your back pocket. It pays off in practice. Let's say in code, you have the condition not the quantity A and B. That double-layered negation is hard to read and easy to get wrong. De Morgan rewrites it as not A or not B, which is immediately clearer, and your test will thank you. In proofs, equivalence lets you replace rather than recompute. Once a law is proven, you are allowed to substitute one form for the other anywhere it appears, with no new truth table required. That substitution move is the actual engine of the proof techniques we start in the very next module. So to close out this video, equivalent statements share an identical truth table. Tautologies are always true, contradictions always false, and De Morgan lets you push a negation inward while flipping and or. These are the tools that turn logic from something you check into something you manipulate. In the next video, we'll break past single true or false statements and learn to handle for all and there exists with predicates and quantifiers. If this is the kind of thing you want to learn, please subscribe.